25 years old. I've got a shot that I'll feed alive. I've got a shot that I'll feed alive.
All right. So 3 years later now,
my record actually I've just now. Look how he's holding on now.
Yes, he's really holding on for dear life. Look at that. Look at that.
I mean, what is it mean?
Calls it 75 to 79. And Judge Ngotwana calls it 74 to 78. Seventh win. It is Jake Labambino.
There you go, Brian.
Matapos ang 4 na sunod-sunod na panalo dito sa Pinas, ay dumayo sa unang pagkakataon sa labas ng Pinas itong tubong Gindolman Bohol na si Jake Amparo alias El Bambino para magpakitang gilas sa lugar na kung saan kilala na maraming nangyayaring dayaan ang South Africa. Di basta-basta ang makakalaban ng dayong Pinoy dahil bukod sa hot prospect itong si Tukuzizi Ngaka ng South Africa ay may malinis din itong kartada na 5 wins, 0 loss, 1 draw, 2 via knockout, habang 10 wins, 3 losses, 1 draw, 2 via knockout naman ang ating dayong Pinoy na pambato. Ginanap ang laban noong October 23, 2022 lang sa International Convention Center sa East London, South Africa. 8 rounds non-title fight ang schedule ng sagupaan nila. Kahit kilala ang lugar na may mga nangyayaring dayaan, lalo na't kababayan nila ang lalaban, di naman nagpatinag si Sano na si Jake Amparo. Dumayo na bitbit ang kumpiyansa sa sarili at sa kanyang diskarte kasabay ang mga kamao na solido. Umaasa na isang panalo ang maiuuwi niya para sa bansang Pilipinas, lalo na sa Gindolman Bohol. Pero talagang di naging madali ang laban ng Pinoy dahil sari-saring pandaraya ang ginawa ng kalaban para lang makaisa kay kabayan. Entrada pa lang ay makikitang kumpiyansa na itong South African na isang sure win na ang makukuha. Tumatawa na agad ito na tila ba may lihim na plano. Tila nag-celebrate na agad ng kanyang panalo. Unang round malinis pa ang takbo ng laban. Mas agresibo agad ang Pinoy. Mas sumusuntok habang accurate naman ang mga counter ng kalaban.
It is to win the first round, to get
I think that's a good question, Peter, because
Chocos is those 3 losses with yeah, this is the second night like out of balance for Amparo Brian.
Pero dito sa round 2 ay halatang may ipinagbabawal na teknik na itong kalaban. Tila gustong ihitbat at balian si kabayan.
25 years old, I've got a shot that I'll feed alive.
All right. So 3 years later now,
my record actually in the UK, and ask him about this massive opportunity.
Back to this fight, Brian. It's in this mini drop.
Dito sa round 3 malinis ang patama ni Amparo. Tinatamaan ng solido itong South Africa na kalaban.
When you get in the ring to fight, you must make it a fight.
He's fighting on the back foot.
Man in to counter punch and doing a good job of that.
I'm not so sure.
Not it's actually a good fight or not. Is to listen to
exactly. And at the moment, there is nothing much really coming.
They're pretty quiet right now.
They're quiet right now. Yes.
And it takes a real man to get in a boxing ring. That's for sure.
Yeah, and only the third round scheduled for 8. Maybe the action will pick up. Yeah, and as they say also,
Naka's not allowing him to land.
Yes, and they say stars make fights.
Well, yeah, you know, anybody can say whatever they want. It doesn't matter. You can't.
Yeah. Maybe we'll start seeing.
Dito sa round 4 naman ay nagbigay ng illegal punch itong kalaban. Gumamit na ng mga diskarte para makalamang kay kabayan.
Well, on the positive side, lots of skill coming in. I don't think the crowd are too happy with these guys either.
A rabbit punch, illegal punch.
Often guys have got their heads half turned towards you, and then you get one for hitting a guy behind the head, but it's accidental.
This is it. Enter Brian, and the crowd still
people that enjoy the science of it.
Yeah, the sweet side.
Like I say as well, Peter, it's not a sparring session.
Yeah.
This is the real deal. You're getting paid people to train.
It's just too good in defense.
Typically are well balanced, well placed like that.
Clean punches landing.
But you got to take a gamble in the fight game as well. To be exciting, to be brilliant. I mean, you look at Mayweather.
Yeah, the weight rate should be like, I don't know whether maybe just
That's the gap nicely,
Yeah.
and then like that.
stop. Chase referee tells
Okay, to the last 5 seconds of round number 5. Or we're in round 6.
Round 7 pati referee nagreklamo na sa South African dahil sa madalas na pagyakap nito at matagal bumitaw. Kahit ang mga komentator ay tila di nagustuhan ang ginagawa ng kanilang kababayan.
Much better from both fighters. Now we've got a little bit of a fight game.
let's see if we can sustain that the punching now it goes, yeah.
Break. Yeah, I think the South African is doing enough to shape the fight.
Alan Matakani is saying, listen, you're holding too much, and I'm saying, and then again here he's holding, but I don't know if he's hurt, the South African, but you can see he's open. There he was hanging on. There he goes again. Look,
And Ampara has picked it up.
he's not interested really in punching. It just looks like he's not looking good.
And the Filipinos putting on the pressure here. He says low, but keep the fight going.
Yes, he's complaining about a low blow. He's wincing, Brian.
Yeah, I think he's for Ampara's putting on the pressure now in round 8.
Amparo knows now that he can actually hurt his opponent.
Round 8 pinipiga na ang Pinoy. Tila gustong balian na ng South African itong sa Amparo at mas lalong napapadalas ang pagyakap nito.
Because he was holding on for dear life just now. Look how he's holding on now.
Yes, he's really holding on for dear life. Look at that. Look at that.
I mean, what is he doing? He's the last. Well, he's been a busy boxer, but this is not a good showing tonight from Naka. He's in survival mode right now.
Survival mode, Brian, yes. But then he only do this. But one thing that we can tell you that's for sure is that now he is losing this round. He lost the last round. And just look how he is holding Brian.
Well, and the one thing we can say as well is that Amparo, the buzzer from the Philippines, has come to fight in the last 2 rounds. Oh, landed a brilliant uppercut to Amparo.
Down they go, both of them.
Umabot sa desisyon ang laban at sa announcement nga ay tila nawala na ng pag-asa si Kabayan. Dahil nga madalas sa lugar na ito ay talo talaga ang dayo pag umabot sa kamay ng mga hurado. Pero tila di magkapaniwala ang Pinoy na dayo na si Amparo dahil siya ang hinirang na panalo.
79 and Judge Ngotwana calls it 74 to 78. Your winner by unanimous decision, and he now makes it an 11th win. It is Jake Labambino Ampara.
There you go, Brian. You called it. He said he's winning the last 2 rounds. You win the last 2 rounds, you will win the fight.
Hi guys, this is Mark Magnifico Magsayo. You are watching Channel Manoy.